Welcome to Healthcare Plus. Hello viewers, today I'll share you how to make cauliflower dinner recipes. Cauliflower have become quite the hot vegetable. It is now used in inventive ways at restaurants, in cookbooks and online. Ingredients. 1. 1 medium cauliflower cut into florets. 2. 2 cloves garlic minced. 3. 1½ tablespoons olive oil. 4. 1 cup almond milk. 5. 1½ tablespoons arrowroot flour. 6. Homemade mayonnaise. 7. 4 bacon slices cooked and crumbled. 8. 1 tablespoon chopped parsley. 9. Salt, black pepper to taste. Directions. 1. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Blanch cauliflower in a large pot of boiling water for 2 minutes. 3. Drain well and set aside. 4. To make the sauce in a skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. 5. Add garlic and cook for 30 seconds. 6. Add the arrowroot flour and stir until golden. 7. Add the milk and bring to a low simmer, stirring until combined. 8. Stir in the mayonnaise and season with salt and pepper. 9. Add drained cauliflower and toss to combine. 10. Transfer the mixture into a casserole dish. 11. Bake for 30 minutes. 12. Remove from the oven, sprinkle with bacon and parsley and serve. If you want to paleo hack cook, please below link in this video descriptions. If you want more about paleo diet plan, please subscribe our channel.